This is Manipur, my homeland Kanglaipak. Manipur is a state located in northeastern India, known for its rich cultural heritage, stunning landscapes, unique traditions. Geography, location, bordering Myanmar to the east and the Indian states of Nagaland, Assam and Mizoram. Landscape, a mix of lush valleys, rolling hills and mountainous terrain. Capital, Imphal. Culture, people. Home to diverse ethnic groups, including the Meiteis, Nagas and Kukis. Language, Meitei is the official language, but many other languages are spoken. Year 2023. Manipur, Ningol Chakouba Festival may not celebrate this year due to ethnic strife. Noticeably, many individuals and locals organizations in the state have taken decision not to celebrate Chakouba this time. Let me briefs about Ningol Chakouba. Ningol Chakouba, feast for married women, also known as Hyangay Nini Panba, Meitei for second day of the month of Hyangay, is a traditional Meitei festival celebrated on the second day of the lunar month of Hyangay, October-November. It is a celebration of bond of love between married women and their paternal families. It is celebrated by members of the Indian diaspora in Western countries like Australia and Canada, and in many Indian cities outside Manipur, including to Bangalore, Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune, Shillong, and Silchar, etc. Observed by Meitei, people celebrations. Married ladies are invited to their parental homes to have a feast together with their fathers, brothers and uncles to tighten the bond of love between the ladies and their parental homes. Now the question is, what is the current situation of Manipur violence? Is it okay or still continuing? The festival Ningol Chakouba, a bonding festival. One and only festival of Meitei community of Kanglaipak. Is it the festival can be celebrated in coming year 2024? Here, the question raised from bottom of the heart of every Meitei community. Endless questions are within the heart. Please understand and ask yourself where we are. Many more questions keep asking. Various initiatives have been undertaken to facilitate dialogue between the conflicting parties and find common ground. Let's pray together for my homeland Manipur, Kanglaipak. Let's spread the message as much as you can. Thank you for watching the channel, Mr. Wonder. Subscribe the channel. Please do not forget to share, like and comment. See you soon in next episode.